How to use Discord bots to manage events on mobile. Head over right here to your homepage, and I have in here this server. So let's head over to the text channel. And I actually added Dino earlier, so you can just look on Dino. And then you can see this Dino bot. So you can see in here as well a lot of commands. So for this one, to have it manage your events, what we can do is we can just find the event toggle for this one. Like for example, let's search in here for event, and you can also use other bots other than Dino as well. You can just utilize your slash and then enter in here a command in order to get the most out of this event. Now you can also delete mods, delete ranks, emotes, GitHub, highlights, list mods, as well as a lot more on this list. So for this one, you can also click on this remind me in order to remind users for your upcoming event. So that's how you use Discord bots to manage events on mobile. Hope you help.